Welcome, language learners from all around the globe, to Listen Up, the podcast that takes you on a captivating voyage through the English language. Whether you're just starting your journey or have been navigating the intricacies of English for some time, this podcast is designed to be your trusty compass, guiding you towards fluency and unlocking the wonders of English. I'm your host, Karen, a passionate traveller and an experienced teacher of English as a second language. Join me as we embark on an exciting expedition filled with all aspects of English life, read by a native British speaker. Together we'll conquer the challenges and celebrate the victories of learning English as a foreign language. Each episode of Listen Up will immerse you in a variety of topics, from aspects of British culture, history, and literature. We'll explore useful vocabulary that will empower you to communicate confidently in English. If you want to read along with the podcast, head to my website, onepawinthesand.com/ESL. The link is in the description. But this podcast isn't just about learning English in isolation. It's also about building a community of language learners, supporting one another, and fostering a love for the English language. I encourage you to engage with us through my Patreon page, where you can connect with fellow learners, ask questions, share your own language journey, and as a reward for being so amazing, you will get exclusive content each month. So whether you're sipping tea in Tokyo, walking the streets of Sao Paulo, or studying in a bustling cafe in Berlin, Listen Up is here to accompany you on your quest for English fluency. Join me as we embark on this transformative expedition, where language becomes an adventure and your dreams of effective communication become a reality. Get comfortable and let the learning begin. Today's episode is called Fermented Foods. In recent years, there has been a resurgence of interest in the age-old practice of fermentation. From tangy sauerkraut to creamy yogurt, fermented foods have been enjoyed by various cultures for centuries. But what exactly makes these foods so special? Beyond their rich flavour and unique texture lies a treasure trove of health benefits waiting to be discovered. Today we'll explore the fascinating world of fermented foods and uncover the science behind their incredible health benefits. Plus, we'll share a delicious recipe that you can easily make at home to reap the rewards firsthand. At its core, fermentation is a natural process where microorganisms like bacteria, yeast, and fungi break down sugars and starches in food, converting them into alcohol or organic acids. This transformative process enhances the flavour and preservation of food and unlocks a myriad of health-promoting compounds. One of the most well-known benefits of fermented food is their ability to support gut health. These foods are rich in probiotics, which are beneficial bacteria that populate our digestive system. Probiotics help maintain a healthy balance of gut flora, which is essential for proper digestion, nutrient absorption, and immune function. By regularly consuming fermented foods, you can promote a thriving ecosystem within your gut and experience improved digestive health. Fermentation also enhances the bioavailability of nutrients in food. The process of fermentation breaks down complex molecules into simpler forms, making it easier for our bodies to absorb essential vitamins and minerals. For example, fermented dairy products like yogurt and kefir are excellent sources of calcium, protein, and B vitamins, which are more readily absorbed compared to their non-fermented counterparts. A strong immune system is key to warding off illness and maintaining overall health. Fermented foods can help bolster your body's natural defenses by promoting a healthy balance of gut bacteria. Research has shown that probiotics found in fermented foods may stimulate the production of immune cells, enhance gut barrier function, and reduce inflammation, thereby supporting immune function and reducing the risk of infections. Now that you understand the numerous health benefits of fermented food, why not try making your own at home? This simple recipe for tangy kimchi is a delicious way to incorporate fermented food into your diet. Here are the ingredients. 1 medium Napa cabbage, chopped into bite-sized pieces, 2 carrots, 4 cloves of garlic, 1 inch of ginger, 3 tablespoons of red pepper flakes, 2 tablespoons of fish sauce or soy sauce if you want to make a vegan version, 1 tablespoon of sugar and 1 tablespoon of sea salt. In a large bowl, combine the chopped cabbage and carrots. In a separate bowl, mix together the garlic, ginger, red pepper flakes, fish sauce or soy sauce, sugar and sea salt to form a paste. Rub the paste evenly over the cabbage and carrot mixture, ensuring everything is well coated. Pack the seasoned vegetables tightly into a clean, sterilized jar, pressing down firmly to remove any air bubbles. Cover the jar loosely with a lid or a clean cloth secured with a rubber band. Allow the kimchi to ferment at room temperature to 3 to 5 days, depending on your desired level of tanginess. Check the kimchi daily and press down on the vegetables to keep them submerged in the brine. Once fermented, to your liking, transfer the jar to the refrigerator to slow down the fermentation process. Enjoy your tangy homemade kimchi as a side dish, topping for rice bowls, or as a flavorful addition to sandwiches and salads. Fermented foods are not only delicious, but also offer a myriad of health benefits, from supporting gut health and digestion to boosting immune function. By incorporating fermented foods like kimchi, yogurt, sauerkraut, and kombucha into your diet, you can nourish your body from the inside out and experience the transformative power of fermentation. So why not embark on your fermentation journey today and savor the flavors of good health? Are fermented foods traditional in your culture? Or give the recipe a go and let me know how you did in the comments below. As we wrap up another exciting episode of Listen Up, I'm thrilled to offer my dedicated listeners an exclusive opportunity to take their language skills to new heights. Unlock the door to fluency with private lessons with me, tailored just for you. As a token of my appreciation, I'm giving a special 25% off voucher to all my fantastic listeners. Embrace the joy of learning, immerse yourself in a personalized language journey, and watch as your confidence soars. Don't miss out on this limited time offer to make language learning an even more rewarding adventure. Use code PODCAST24 at the checkout and let the linguistic exploration begin. Thank you for joining me on this incredible language learning voyage. Your success is my inspiration.